Hi friends, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome to Sai Tech Guru. In this video, I'm going to compare the display quality between the Realme X2 Pro versus the Redmi Note 9 Pro. So if you're watching first time this channel, friends, subscribe to my channel Sai Tech Guru. So as always, don't forget to check the links in description, friends, for the playlist of the Redmi Note 9 Pro or the Realme X2 Pro or any other display comparison or Antutu benchmark. So do check the links in description, friends, and these are my previously uploaded videos. So if you are interested, just take a look at those videos, friends, so which will be very helpful. And now let me get started with the display comparison test. And if you have any queries regarding the smartphone, you can message me to the WhatsApp number. And even if you want to know what live wallpaper currently I am using and what wallpapers I'm using, you can check the wallpaper playlist, friends. So let me open the MX player, and if you're wondering why I'm doing this kind of review comparing with the mid-range of Redmi Note 9 Pro to the higher range of Realme X2 Pro device, so these are my way of doing the display comparison, friends. I will just compare all the display comparison between all the smartphones what I'm having currently here. So it doesn't matter mid-range or high range, I'll just try to compare. So it might be useful to one or the other user. So let me try to open the MX player, friends. At the moment, let me try to play the same video in both the phones, and let's check which phone has a better brightness and better colors. So as you can see, friends, I'm playing the same video in both the phones. So let me try to crop it. So now it's equal. So I'm trying to increase the brightness also, friends, in both the phones. So in terms of the brightness of the screen, I felt the Realme X2 Pro is brighter, friends, in terms of the overall brightness of the screen of the display. So that's the one thing which I noticed. And do comment below, friends, which displays you like better, IPS or AMOLED panel. So overall, you can see here, friends, the Realme X2 Pro comes with the HDR10 Plus certified, and whereas the Redmi Note 9 Pro is IPS LCD panel. So let me try to decrease the brightness to 10. Now let's see which phone will be having higher brightness levels. So here I can see the Realme X2 Pro has slightly higher brightness levels, friends, in terms of brightness. So let me try to keep my studio lights away so you can understand which phone is brighter clearly. So you can see here, friends, the AMOLED versus the IPS. So let me try to decrease to number 5. So it is a number 5, and you can see the colors as well, how it looks side by side. So let me try to decrease to 0, and let's see which phone will be brighter in terms of overall brightness levels in terms of 0. So I can see, friends, both the phones are pretty good performing in terms of the low brightness, and the Realme X2 Pro has slightly higher brightness levels, and the Redmi Note 9 Pro can go very dim as well, friends. So that is another advantage in the Redmi Note 9 Pro device. So when you compare with the Realme X2 Pro device, so these are overall highest brightness levels, friends, in both the phones. So overall, friends, the Realme X2 Pro display is pretty good in terms of color accuracy and the saturation levels and contrast levels. And do comment below, friends, which display is better, AMOLED or IPS panel. So that's it for this video, friends, and for more videos, subscribe to my channel, friends. See you in the next video. Until then, bye.